Okay, here's a problem where we have a to x instead of a number to x. So as far as writing down ags, it doesn't change. We take whatever we're given, the integral defined function, and we write that down for a. So big G equals the integral of little g, and then big G prime equals, you just plug in x, so g of x, you take away the antiderivative, big G double prime equals little g prime. So really the only difference is going to be in problems like B for questions like the a to x. As far as this, we're still going to find the area as it's written from 0 to 4, 5 to 8, etc. So 0 to 4 means the area accumulated between the x-axis and the function between 0 and 4. We're moving to the right, so positive if above, negative if below, and we have 1, 2, 3, so this is negative 3. 5 to 8 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. I'll leave that one. Where is G increasing? Okay, anytime you see increasing, you think this thing prime positive. What is this? We'll come over here. Big G prime is the graph. So this is asking where is the graph positive. And what does positive mean? That means above x-axis. So from here to here, which is 4 to 8. Where is G concav down? That's where big G double prime is negative. What's big G double prime? The slope. So slope is negative 0 to 1. Minimum value is where G prime goes from negative to positive, which is right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. But it says minimum value of G. So we gotta plug in G of 4, which I didn't do part B up here yet. So in order to find big G, normally we plug into the function. So we're like from A to 4, G. But then we get stuck because we don't know what A is. So that's not right. We have to use the given. So the given is 2, so we say the integral from 2 to 4, given what we want, is big G of 4 minus big G of 2, because this is just the fundamental theorem of calculus. Okay, this means the area, and so the area from 2 to 4 is negative 1.5. G of 4 minus G of 2 is 0, so we just get G of 4 is equal to negative 1.5. To do G of 6, you can either do G of 4, since we know that now, or G of 2. I'll do G of 4 just to show you a different one. So to find G of 6, we can do 4 to 6. Little g is big G of 6 minus big G of 4. This means the area. So what's the area from 4 to 6? There's 4, 5, 6. The area of that little triangle is 2 times 2 divided by 2, so it's 2. And G of 4 we found it's negative 1.5. So that's really plus 1.5. And so to solve for G of 6, we subtract 1.5 and we get 0.5. another way of thinking about it is starting at 2, we have understood 0. Okay, we have 0 right here at 2. We can't see that. So if I want to figure out the area, I add if it's above, subtract if it's below. From 2 to 4 would be subtracting, taking 0 and subtracting 1.5, and so it would be negative 1.5. And then if I keep on moving, I'm at negative 1.5, I add 0.5, so I'm at negative 1. I add 1.5, so now I'm at 0.5. So g of 6 would be your negative 1.5 plus this 2, so it's 0.5. And then average value is which one? 1 over b minus a or f of b minus f of a? I hope you said 1 over b minus a, the integral of f, which in this case is g. So we get to find the area here. 4, 5, 6. That was 3, so this is negative 13.5. And then that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have negative 7.5 divided by 13. Happy studying!